Hey, this is Haplin, and the purpose of this module is to answer the question, what if I have leads coming from a source that is not covered by the previous modules? This is kind of like a catch-all, last-ditch effort way to get leads into high level from anywhere. So if you watch through the previous modules and it makes sense to you and you know how to get your leads into high level from your ads, from other sources, organic or paid, etc., then you're good to go. You don't need to know how to use webhooks. But let's say you're a real estate agent and you're getting leads from Zillow in the form of notification emails. Similarly, if you're a home services business getting leads from Angie, you can't have your Angie leads filling out a high level form. They're filling out the Angie form and Angie is just sending that information on to you. You don't exactly have the leverage to be able to go to those big companies and ask them to have the leads they send to you fill out a high level form or something like that, right? How do you get those leads into high level? The answer is webhooks. Now, webhooks are kind of a complicated technology. They're super broad and they're rarely used the same way twice. So what I've done for this module is I've actually linked to a help doc article beneath this video in the description. Our team has obviously gone to great lengths to make the process as simple to understand as possible for beginners. Of course, I don't recommend getting into webhooks for its own sake or learning more just for its own sake. I do recommend taking every action that's necessary for success. One final note, if you do engage with the help doc, please at the very bottom of the help doc, when you scroll all the way to the bottom, you can let us know if it was helpful or not and leave feedback on it. Obviously, we invest a ton into making these help docs really high quality, and they do a lot of heavy lifting for us and help a lot of the community. And so we're always trying to make them better and better. And okay, that's really it for this module. If you need help with webhooks, click the link below. If not, just go ahead and move on. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
Click copy, please.